These are our birds on our porch upstairs. This is Modelo and Corona. Hi guys. Hi birdies. They're sweet little birdies. The green one is the feisty one. The blue one is just the quiet, soft-spoken one. See, they're cute. Okay. And then, this is our porch. And I think Mia, there's Mia. She's up here too. She likes to sit in the sunshine. I like to take videos and pictures of Mia for Megan, so Megan can see that her little kitty is fine and well here in San Miguel with her grandma and her grandpa. One day Megan's going to come and get her. We're just kind of babysitting her right now. Right, Mia? Hey, not Mia. Yeah, you sweet kitty. Say hi to your mommy. Say hi, mommy. Say hi, mommy. Yeah, hi. Say hi, mommy in Montana. Yeah. Let's see, what else do we have going on here? We're up here, my garden, and the palm tree, which is huge. We actually have a nest in the palm tree that some new birdies have just hatched. I'll lift the, let me lift the leaf up to show you where this birdie nest is at. Whoopsie, sorry guys. I don't know if you can see it, but there is the nest right there. Let me scroll in. I don't know if you can see the babies, but they're in there. We'll leave them alone. Okay. Once again, Mia, say goodbye. Say bye, Mia. You ready to eat some? Mia's favorite thing to eat is a fried egg. Her mother spoiled her. That's all she eats. She doesn't even like tuna. Go figure. Okay. Adios. O buenos dias. Bye.